How's it going, everybody? Mark here, and welcome to my kitchen. And the reason we're in my kitchen is because I want to talk about my backpacking cooking system. I've had this set up for a little over a year now, and this is kind of what I like. This is what I enjoy. This is what suits me, and I don't really see myself changing it up much. So my entire setup here cost right around $60 and is just under 14 ounces. And yeah, if you're ultra light, I could see that being pretty heavy. It comes right at like 13.4, 13.5 ounces. Under 14 ounces with fuel, I think that's pretty good. But if you wanted to save probably $10, this is between $10 and $11. If you wanted to save $10 and make it the entire setup down to like $50, all you have to do is just go to Walmart and get a long handle plastic spoon. And you can find these in the camping section at Walmart. They're usually on the top shelf somewhere. I like the longer handles. That's why I have a couple of different versions. I always like the long handles, mainly because if you're eating a backpacking meal or a dehydrated meal, you are getting all the way down to the bottom and you're not getting food all over your hands or gunk on your hands. That's just, again, that's a personal preference. You could probably even save you an ounce or so if you wanted to get a regular sized spork or a regular sized titanium spork and basically just cut this in half. For me, I'd rather carry the extra handle. Again, personal preference here. So I'm just showing you guys my setup and what has worked for me, and hopefully it'll help you guys out. So let's start off with my titanium spork. It's by Sea to Summit, weighs about 3 to 4 ounces. Not too shabby there. I got this last year. So I have a Toaks 750 milliliter, and I've noticed that this is really all I need for water or to have enough water to boil, say, a mountain house or a backpack pantry meal. I've even cooked an entire box of macaroni and cheese in this and not had an issue. And this pot is about 3.6 ounces. So again, very lightweight. So next is my stove. Now, I got this off Amazon years ago for like $8, $9. With inflation going up, they're probably going to be a little more. But again, you're looking between $10, maybe $12 for one of these. And it's just a knockoff third-party brand on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for all this stuff, and you guys can shop around. But yeah, this thing has not failed me at all. And this guy comes in at around 3.4, 3.3 ounces, depending on the brand. Again, solid little stove for the price, by far. Lastly, fuel. You can get any fuel. They sell multiple different kinds of these. I actually like getting the small ones because you can fit it in my pot there. Put my stove right there, right on top, and then put it right back in the bag, just like so. And that right there is about 13.1 ounces. Add a spork or a spoon to it, however you want. That will be the 13.5 ounces. You could also save another 1.1 ounces by simply taking away the carrying case for the stove and taking away the mesh carry bag on the Toaks pot. So yeah, that is my cooking setup. Hopefully it works for you guys. I noticed that I don't want to spend a bunch of money, so when I can save money, I will. So hopefully this video helps you, especially if you're in the market to lighten your cooking setup by weight, or if you're on a budget. This is a good way to do that. Let me know in the comments what your setup is. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as always, see you guys in the next one.